Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up your Eufy security camera with Spotlight for the first time. And to do this you'll need to get the Eufy security app from the Google Play Store on your phone or any other device. Then open the app. Here I have the camera and now we need to, it's actually plugged in. So I would prepare the power source, or because it might be discharged, this device is actually running on a battery as well. So try to plug it into the power source with a USB-C and leave it very close to your phone. Next thing is to click add the device on your app. Here I find the Spotlight camera, Solo Cam Spotlight. Now we can select a different home which this device will be added to, and I have this one. Let's go. Then connect to the Wi-Fi network, and it's recommended to use 2.4G networks, not the 5G. So I connect to the 2.4. Next thing is to press a synchronize button for 2 seconds until you hear a beep and LED starts flashing blue. This LED right here on your camera. So the sync button is right here. Hold it for 2 seconds. Okay, now we can go with next step. And now it asks to scan the QR code. Here we have the QR code and we need to scan it with the camera. So point your screen to the camera. It should scan and
connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
So we can click on next and wait till it connects with the Wi-Fi network.
Setup was successful.
After hearing setup was successful, the camera should be ready. You can name it and customize the working mode for it, charge it with a battery, mount it to the wall. You can go through all of these instructions if you want. I want to show you exactly how to mount it to the wall. And yeah, here you can see the feed, but we need to wait till the signal stabilizes. As you can see, it's great. And let's continue, click on done, and that's basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.